55,000 and counting. That's how many greeting cards nonprofit Hero Helpers of America has received this holiday season to send to U.S. troops serving overseas.
Dear soldier, greetings from Boston. Hope you are a Red Sox fan.
Mansfield resident Lauren Eliopoulos founded the group a year ago to support troops and veterans.
I took it upon myself to give back in a small way, send a few care packages a month, write a couple letters with pen pals, and I made a Facebook page. Overnight, it literally exploded.
She uses the internet to spread the word about the group's activities, like the card drive. Last year, they received 12,000 cards for Christmas. This year, she's expecting to receive 100,000 by Friday.
It's been the most amazing, humbling experience I've ever been through in my entire life.
Now she needs the money to keep up with the demand. She estimates that she needs $2,100 more to be able to ship all the cards. Cards which she says will go a long way to lift the spirits of military members like her brother George, who just returned from Afghanistan.
He showed me a bulletin board he had in his room, and he had hung up his favorite cards from kids.
The cards also mean a lot to Lauren's mom. She said collecting cards and care packages got her through her son's deployment.
It was very therapeutic. If I couldn't sleep at night, I'd get up and wrote custom forms. And to see that there's good being done kept me sane.
And now that her son is back, she has a sense of peace, which she hopes to spread through the card drive for those still serving abroad. For the Boston Herald, Priska Point du Jour.